In this video, we will show you how to power the laptop on and connect the cables to prepare the system for your first session. First, remove the laptop from the protective sleeve and open it to expose the screen and keyboard. Next, connect the power cord. We recommend plugging the power cord into a surge protector to prevent damage to the NeurOptimal system components. The power cord has two parts. Make sure the plug is firmly seated in the power supply box. The magnetic power adapter strip snaps into the port on the right side of the base of the laptop. Make sure the charger light comes on when you attach the charger to the laptop. If you do not see the light, try reversing the strip. Please keep in mind that a fully charged laptop will only last about 2 sessions, as NeurOptimal is a resource-intensive program. For this reason, we recommend keeping the laptop plugged in while running sessions whenever possible. Insert one end of the USB cable into the USB port on the left side of the base of the laptop. Insert the other end of the USB cable into the USB port on the Z-amp. If you plan to use earbuds or headphones while running a session, connect them to the audio port on the left side of the base of the laptop. If you would prefer to listen to the audio via the laptop speakers, you can skip this step. Remember, the feedback provided to your brain during sessions is audible, so make sure that you are comfortable with however you choose to listen. Turn the system on by pressing the power button located on the top row of the keyboard indicated by the red dot sticker. If you are ready to run your first session, please watch the tutorials showing how to apply the sensors to yourself and others and how to start the NeurOptimal software.